Now, I had no intention of doing any video like this today, but now we're going to have to switch from this to this. You can see this, right? Might be for, all right, hold on. Yeah, so believe it or not, we have an announcement for this. So today, we still learn, finally qualified to go live on TikTok, and we'll be doing that for the first time at what time? Well, it's now 11:31, so I guess in another 29. So in another 29 minutes, yeah. Now, I don't want to show a lot of my face, and I could also do that. You want me to disappear? I can do that. So yes, we finally qualified to go live. Hold on. I think I'm missing something. There's something I need to put beside the 12. Yeah, I didn't want you to think that it was midnight. Yeah? So in the next, let me look at my time. 28 minutes. Yeah. And, well, here's another announcement. I'm willing to do this for my teachers on the team and any teacher that wants to join the team, right? I mean, if you don't want to go live, don't worry. I'll bring the phone and do the live for you. And you'll just teach and do the live, and that's it. So just like how I do the live, I'll just point the phone at the board, and yeah, you just do your thing. You understand? Yeah. So anyhow, let me not bore you. Now I want to say thanks for helping us at We Still Learn, for staying consistent. And as I like to always tell you, or we like to always tell you, press the blue button and honor your commitments. So now that it's 11:35, we have about 25. So in the next 25, We Still Learn will go live. Now, let me just give one more reminder. It's not about me still learn, it's about we still learn. So guess what? I can make myself scarce, right? Kind of like that. Yeah? So, soon come back. Yeah?